A very good morning, students. Today we are starting our new topic, physical education and sports for CWSN. CWSN means full form children with special needs. Children with special needs, those who are disabled or divyang, or you can say disabled children or viklang. All these words, viklang, disabled, or mental retarded, all these words are now removed and we are giving name, that is divyang. Divyang is also now not appropriate. What government think that if you called any disabled child divyang, he may feel, so we call children with special need. Those children are not viklang or handicapped, but they are children with special needs. They need some special attention. This is the some kind of difference in those children. Now there are some children are disabled children and some are having disorder. Two words are there. What is the disability meaning? Disability is an impairment that may be cognitive. Cognitive is related with the neurological disorder. Then developmental, that body development in different parts or organs, intellectual level, and mental and physical also. These disabilities affect the everybody's activity, everyday activity, day-to-day activity. What normal child is doing, that activity at same level and same standard a divyang person or child with special need cannot perform. Disability is the reduction of functional ability to lead daily fruitful life. Whatever fruitful life you are living, that some kind of reduction in their functional ability is there for those students who need special need or divyang children. According to WHO, what is the definition of disability? Disability is a restriction or lack of ability to perform the activity in the manner or within the range considered normal for human being. At what range a normal human being should perform the activity, that activity, if anybody is not able to perform, means child is under disability category. Now I think you have understood the meaning of disability. Now comes disorder. Disorder is some extent related to neurological disorder. This is usually used for mental disabilities. Those who are having some kind of poor connection of mind and body. Now we call in the schools also that so and so child is slow learner. We call parents also that child is very slow learner. Slow learner means their mental abilities are not that much grasping capacity is having like other children. So they need special time, special space, special attention and different method of teaching, so they can also learn, but they learn very slow. Other meaning of disorder disrupt the normal functioning of individual. Whatever normal children, they do all functional activity. Those who are suffering from any kind of disorder, they will not be able to do the normal functioning of the activity. Then disorder can be defined a blip in the usual functioning of a person. One kind of hindrance in routine work, if anybody is having, that child is having some kind of disorder. Now there are many students, even in our school we will be discussing about different type of disorders one by one in next lecture. Then you will come to know actually in your class itself, in your own class itself, many students are having disorder. So in today's era, reduction of physical activities and all other electronic and other medias, people are small children, they are very prone to use cell phone and all. that slow and steadily it will bring disorder in the child. So you should keep small children away from cell phone, and those children should be involved in the physical activity. Today's lecture is over here. Thank you. Have a healthy day.